Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to hide photos on Facebook. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and log into our Facebook account. Once you're here, we can go ahead and click the three lines here. And right after that, we're going to click the gear icon so that we will be routed to settings and privacy. So once we are here, we can go ahead and scroll down. And we are just going to click here, profile and tagging. So we will just be waiting for this one to load. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click this question. Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile? So once we are routed on this part, we do have the options. If those photos will be shown by everyone, friends of friends, friends except, you can exclude a particular person or particular group of people in this context. So I'll go ahead and click see more. And in order for me to hide all my Facebook posts, all I can do then is to click only me. So basically, that's how we are going to hide our photos on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next one.